purple pumpkin pie, pepper, pesky, purpose, pimple poppin', poop, Pompeii.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Fernando Converses would like to talk to you about a very important subject that has come to our attention, and it's responsible for the deaths of thousands of children every year.
Tofu.
Car insurance.
Toe jam. Rubber bands.
Bleached wood.
Fluffy towels.
Wood elves. Coyotes. Thousands of coyotes running across the hills. No one can stop them. Cancerous leopards. The government of Ottawa. Papel. Is it in your house?
Is it in his house?
Many people are unaware of the dangers, but
But I am not.
are you safe? Is your family safe?
Is your puppy safe?
We don't think so. That's why we're going to tell you some methods you can use to protect yourself.
Do you know what these methods are? Probably not, because we haven't told you.
There are many surveys that have been taken, and 97% of people didn't respond to the surveys. They probably don't know how to protect themselves.
But we know that our method is time and again proven to be successful. 100% of the time, it's successful 25% of the time.
Nikolai Tesla used it himself to keep the wolves off of his back porch.
Wolves are a legitimate hazard.
Babies have been eaten, and they will be eaten again.
Someday soon,
Perhaps your baby. Perhaps your baby. Don't be a fool.
don't be a tool.
This PSA was brought to you by sponsors like
Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
Incorporated, and also
Fwa 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 keiki keiki tabetai des. LLC.
we'd like to thank our sponsors by doing an interpretive dance in their honor. Thank you. This concludes our PSA. We will now conclude our PSA.